Hi everyone. I did my research paper on Dr. Stephanie Peterson. Dr. Stephanie Peterson is actively researching today. She is researching choice making, fundamental communication training, reinforcement-based interventions for children with problem behaviors, concurrent schedules of reinforcement in the treatment of severe problem behaviors, and functional analysis training for teachers and educators. She is also currently working at a university with graduate students in psychology and the BCBA program. Dr. Peterson currently works at Western Michigan University. She received her doctorate degree in special education in 1994 and works on how reinforcement schedules with children who have severe problem behaviors. She is a current editor for the Journal of Applied Behavioral Analysis and is a senior editor for the Education and Treatment of Children. She is on the board of directors for the Behavior Analysis Certification Board. Dr. Peterson's work with children with problem behaviors are extremely important because her work help with understanding and shaping those behaviors in a classroom setting. Here's just some of the few articles that I found. Dr. Peterson wrote a book on a focus on behavioral analysis in education. She co-authored the following articles, which I will be talking about on my next slide. So these are evaluating the temporal location of feedback, providing feedback following performance versus prior to performance, Motivate Me, 20 tips for using a motivator to help your classroom, Introduction to Special Section on Resurgence, Concurrent Schedules of Reinforcement as Challenges to Maintenance, The Effects of Varying Quality and Duration of Reinforcement on Man's to Work, Man's for Break, and Problem Behaviors. These articles that I will be discussing all have a central theme around problem behaviors. Dr. Peterson co-authored all of these articles. 4 out of the 5 articles were research articles about how to maintain and reinforce different behaviors to help stop problem behaviors such as self-injurious behaviors. Dr. Peterson researched different feedback methods, whether instantaneous feedback or delayed feedback would help lessen problem behaviors. She found a specific tool called the motivator. This tool was like a timer that whenever it would go off, children were supposed to check and monitor their own behaviors and change accordingly. Then she discussed how concurrent schedules for shaping challenging behaviors. So all of these articles, like I said before, are around a certain theme of the problem behaviors and how to help control them. The last article, which Dr. Peterson helped co-author, was on resurgence of problem behaviors. She specifically discussed in this article how different people did different types of reinforcement schedules to help to extinguish a specific problem behavior. However, all of these behaviors came back, and she discussed the amount of time each one of those problem behaviors came back based on the type of reinforcement schedule that was used. So Dr. Peterson looks closely at children with problem behaviors in classrooms and she looks to find different techniques on how to modify and change these behaviors. If I was sitting across from her, I would ask her these 5 questions. I'm really interested on what she wants. I'm really interested on problem behaviors and what specific technique that she found that works the best. Why she decided to go for her BCBA and why she was interested in finding solution for severe problem behaviors. Has there been any specific severe problem behavior that you have found the most challenging to work with and try to modify? Why was that? I see that a lot of her research is based on concurrent schedules of reinforcement, and I want to know if she's finding this the best way to treat these problem behaviors. And the last one is, being that I'm a special education teacher as well, what tips might she have to help further my career as a BCBA? Lastly, Dr. Peterson is doing a lot of important work for children with severe problem behaviors. She is going into classrooms, helping teachers try to figure out different reinforcements for these children. She's helping to train a whole nother field of people coming in to help deal with these problem behaviors that they're seeing in children. So her research is extremely important and will help teachers and parents and other people who are working with children with severe problem behaviors, or even just problem behaviors in general, help to get rid of them. So thank you so much for watching my presentation. I hope you learned a lot.